So, how do you maximize your saw blade life? Well, first way, never let your log touch the ground or drag it across the ground. In this case, my logs have touched the ground using the four-wheeler. As you can see, picked up grass, dirt. Leave them out in the rain, but you probably want to get cutting. So, use your draw knife. If that's your only low-tech means, use the draw knife and peel it. Don't let your blade touch the ground. In the second way, use your draw knife or wire brush, pressure washer, and that's how you maximize saw blade life. Sawmill cleanup must-haves. Sawmill cleanup must-haves. One of the must-haves, some type of blower. Your blower makes it quick, easy work to get all the dust from your bunks and all the other components. You'll still have to do a little bit by hand to get around your guide blocks and your bearings, but blower makes it very very easy and efficient to clean up.